Hi, my lovies. Good morning, good afternoon, but for me, it's a morning. It was a bright morning. Let's start my day with folding all these kitchen towels that we did last day, and they were already dried up. I wanted to fold them and keep their way because they were blocking my way. My kitchen is so small, so if you're not organized, you will not even find somewhere to stand. I want to fold them and then start making breakfast. Yeah, it's when I've woken up. I want to make the breakfast and see how the day will progress in the course of the day. So if you're new here, karibu sana, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and God bless you for your support. And if you're watching and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you're watching and not liking, please like the video so that it can be recommended to many viewers and then our viewers grow. I think the engagement is so low, that's why the YouTube is not recommending most of my video. If you're watching, just take a minute, as per now, I just want not even subscription, because I have so many subscribers but the views are very low. So I'm done. I've already organized them in this blue basket. We are planning to change that. Let's make some breakfast. On this day I wanted to make some, how do we call them? I wanted to make some bajia. Yeah, so someone was on my neck and there was some potatoes in the house, so I wanted to make some bajia, and we'll take with some things for breakfast. Tell me why, guys, I don't have a frying pan, deep frying pan. I don't know, it's just my weakness. However much I try to go and purchase one, I'll still find a way to come back without it. Comment down below if you have something in your house that is becoming so hard for you to get. For me, frying pan has become a hell of work to get, or someone to just gift me. My fridge was ready for a refresh and organization. It was disorganized, guys, and the freezer part was kind of empty, so I wanted to clean it so that we could stock it. I later did I did some cereals which I didn't involve in this video, and packed my freezer part. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to use this dishwash soap and damp paper. Is it towel? Damp towel, yes, guys. And then let us spray with vinegar and water and a dry towel to dry it up. So that's what I'm going to do. I just want to clean it well and then organize things in a good manner. My I just wanted to do some simple wig lines. I'm taking a break from braids. I just want to do a wig for the month, and then we'll see.